Today I'd like to show how to downgrade macOS Big Sur to macOS Catalina. Before process, backup your all data and application from the Mac and one empty USB flash drive is also required. Let's see. First we need to download macOS Catalina, but by default it is not available in App Store. So open Safari and paste the link from video description. Click on macOS Catalina to download it. App Store will open automatically and click Get. Then download. After download, you will receive a pop-up window. Click on Quit. Close window. Now insert a empty flash drive. It should be named Untitled. Then open terminal from Spotlight. Then type the following command from the video description. Then type password and enter. Type Y and enter. Flash drive format need to be changed because APFS will not be allowed to create a bootable disk. Open disk utility. Select the empty flash drive, then erase and select format as a macOS journal and scheme should be GUID partition map and erase. Close disk utility. And type the command from video description. Y and enter. Now bootable is creating. Terminal might ask you to access files on removable disk. Hit OK. So the bootable is created now. Restart your Mac and press and hold Option key. Select install. Select install macOS Catalina. Then disk utility. Continue. Select Macintosh HD or update partition. Erase and type the name, then erase it. Close disk utility. Now click Install macOS. Continue. Select the drive. Mac will install automatically. Now set up user. After install and set up user, you can see hard disk is automatically occupied some space, which need to clear space. Open disk utility. Now you can see the Big Sur partition and this name partition. Then right click on it, then delete APFS volume and then delete. Now you can see the storage is backed. There are many ways to downgrade macOS Big Sur. I found this is easier and other may create some problem or it can be failed. Hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.